Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to bend text in Canva. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is to log into your Canva dashboard. And if you don't have a Canva, just navigate into canva.com and create a free account. Well, to bend text in Canva, the first thing you want to do is to create the text. I'll navigate into any of the blank templates that are available. In this case, I'll choose flyer and select create a blank flyer. On the page that appears here, I'll want to create text that I'll be bending. So I'll navigate into the text option from the tools available and select on the heading. Notice you can choose from the many other templates that are available from subheading to the main heading. So I'll select add a text and maybe re-edit this to suit my design. I'll make it a little bigger so that we can see how these effects look like. The next thing I'll want to do to bend this text is to select it, navigate into the effect option, and you'll notice that an effect flyout menu opens on the left section. And from the many effects that are there, I'll select curve. And you can tell by just clicking on curve, my text has been bent to this direction. Notice I can even make it bigger or make it less, but at the same time the text remains bent. At the bottom section, I have the scale I can use to bend my text, either to the negatives or to the positives. I'll move this a little bit to the center so you can see both. I am at 91 positive, so if I reduce that to 80, the text becomes a little flatter and a little flatter to a level where at 0 the text becomes straight as I had created it in the beginning. I can move a little further to bend it on the other side by moving this scale to the very far left section. I can move it a little bit to the center, and now my text is bent. I can choose to add a color so that to make it a little bit saucy, and with that I am ready to click on the share option, select the download option, and download my image as a bent text. Well, that is how we bend text in Canva. I hope this video has been very informative, and if you liked it, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.